So this issue keeps coming up. I want to show people really quickly. If you're watching, I'll try and be brief. On the new Moodle, you've got this settings block. Right now it's docked, and I can undock it, and I'll collapse navigation. So you see settings here. So I can expand and collapse it, or I can dock it. When I dock it, it's up here, and it just pops out. Notice here it says Edit Settings. I click Edit Settings, and I'm on the main page, and now I'm editing the course settings. So in this case, I want to go from weekly to topics format, scroll down, save it, and I have now changed my course from weekly to topics. Now, let's say I go into something like a little label. Let's just find a random label. This one, perform these activities. As usual, I can turn editing on, and I'll go to a label like this and edit it, and I'm in here, and the label doesn't really matter. There's nothing so much to change. So if I go to settings, edit settings, it actually just takes me to that same page, so there's no real benefit there. However, if I go to something that actually could use some editing, like let's say this, how do you want to be graded, or let's say this document, I click on it, and it just shows what the student would normally see. And it used to be right up here, we would see a button that said edit this, and now that's gone, but we can go to settings and click edit settings, and now we're in the edit mode of that page. So same thing, I'll go back to the page, and supposing we have a forum, like I have this setup web hosting, I click the forum, no button up here, but in the settings I see edit settings. And notice right above it, it says forum administration. So each time you're in a different place, that text will actually change to refer to that place. And of course you can open and close, and of course you can undock. So the settings could be right here. So I can edit the forum by clicking that, and then it's just like hitting that other button. So if you have your settings readily available, and you always will because you cannot delete it, you can move it up or down, you can dock it, but you can't get rid of it. So those settings, while not quite as obvious as the past where we had one right up to the right, they're still not too bad to get to. So I hope that's helpful and saves you all a little grief, and wish I'd gotten it to you sooner. Thanks.